Watch this video as I will be unraveling hair growth secrets as well as taking care of all your hair problems. From dandruff, split ends, brittle hair, itchy scalp, flaky scalp, stunted growth, down to hair shedding. I'll be sharing with you guys a super potent herbal hair growth spray that has really helped my hair in growing dark, long, thick, full, voluminous with just 2 powerful ingredients, of which my first ingredient is rosemary leaves, and I'll be making use of 3 to 4 spoons of that. Moving on to the second ingredient, where I'll be making use of 2 cinnamon sticks. These ingredients are 100% natural. The combination of those 2 ingredients works really fast, as you will experience fast results the moment you start applying it on your hair. The treatment helps to control hair loss and prevent balding. It wards off any form of scalp infection, boosts blood flow into the scalp, and promote healthy hair growth. The super potent ingredients encourage hair growth and reduce hair loss. I'll go ahead and add these 2 ingredients into my empty, clean, sterilized jar. I'll go ahead and add hot water, cover it up and allow to infuse for about 8 to 12 hours. This is what it looks like after 12 hours of infusion, and as you guys can tell that it is well infused already. The next thing is to go ahead and strain it out and transfer it into my spraying bottle. I'm done transferring it, so let's go ahead and apply to my hair. For this particular treatment, you can use it in 2 ways. You can apply it as leave-in, whereby you spray directly to your scalp, your hair and your tips, and the moment you are done applying it, then go in with your leave-in conditioner, and lastly go ahead and seal it in with your hair growth oil. So that's one way to go about it, and this will help you to moisturize your hair, and by this it simply means you are preventing hair and scalp dryness, leading to thick, dark and lush natural hair. The second way to go about this particular treatment is that you can use this as your hair rinse, your herbal hair rinse tea, but then do this during your hair wash day when you're done applying the conditioner. Leave it for about 30 to 35 minutes before rinsing it out. It is going to minimize hair shedding, brittle hair, snappy hair, dandruff, and hereby helps to retain hair length. It will help you to control split ends and knots that can lead to hair shrinkage. Follow everything that I've said and shown you guys in this video, because that's when you see effectiveness of the treatment. Do not forget to use the right ingredient, which simply means use the exact ingredient. Do not remove or add to whatever I've used in this video. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video and you find this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a huge fat fake thumbs up. Drop your comment in the comment section below, smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.